Did you know your computer is constantly talking to other devices even when you're not browsing the internet? With one simple command, you can see everything happening behind the scenes. That command is Netstat. Let's break it down. What is Netstat? While ipconfig shows your device's configuration, Netstat shows live network activity. It reveals who and what your computer is talking to in real time. Think of it as a window into the hidden conversations of your PC. What can you do with Netstat? With Netstat, you can view all active network connections. Check which applications are using which ports. Monitor incoming and outgoing traffic. Detect unusual or malicious activity. Useful Netstat commands. Netstat shows a list of all active TCP connections. This tells you your PC local address is connected to a server on port 443 HTTPS. Netstat displays all connections and listening ports in numerical format. This shows port 80 is open and waiting for connections, important for spotting open ports that attackers might exploit. Netstat B displays which program or process opened each connection. This means Google Chrome opened the connection. Super useful when tracking down suspicious software. Netstat or R displays the routing table of your system. Example shows which networks your computer knows how to reach and via which gateway. Real-world use case. Imagine your computer is running slowly and you suspect malware. Running Netstat and might reveal connections to strange, unknown IP addresses. Following up with Netstat B, you can see which program is responsible. This makes Netstat not just a troubleshooting tool, but also a security monitoring weapon. So next time you wonder what's happening behind the scenes of your computer, just fire up Netstat. It's like putting on night vision goggles for your network traffic. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more network troubleshooting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which tool you want me to cover next.